I'm going to show you some finds that I found at the Dollar Tree recently. They brought out some of their Valentine's spring stuff and they have some new things out. So I just wanted to go over real quick some of the things that I found for my crafting projects. I don't really make Valentine's Day crafts, so a lot of the stuff that I found for Valentine's Day I'm going to be repurposing to just like regular crafts instead. So one of the things I found are these signs. They have a little bit of a faux wood finish on the front, but they're not wood. This one's an XO one. I have a love one that I already made a craft with. They have one that says home. I think love, two different love ones, a home one, and the XOXO are the ones that I saw. So again, these I'm not going to be using for an actual Valentine's Day craft, I don't think. The XOXO one I'm going to be using for like a teen or young girls like room decor item. So you can use these and repurpose these for any holiday or any kind of home decor. It doesn't even need to be a holiday. Then I found this home, where home is where the heart is one. I already started trying to take it apart. That's why it's like that, because I want to repurpose this into making this just for like regular crafting, nothing to do with Valentine's Day. So they had some of those. Another thing I bought where they had different shapes of these. They had a gnome one. This one's like a little truck. This is Happy Valentine's Day. But the reason I bought this is for the light that's inside. When I do a lot of my crafts, I like to make things that light up. Ooh, when you touch this one, they're not the best light, obviously. When I'm touching it, it's going on and off. But when I did my Christmas crafting and I made my light up snow globes, I was having a hard time finding these kind of lights that didn't flicker like the candle. So these ones are just like a basic on-off switch light. So I bought two of these to actually just take these lights out of, because I had trouble finding these. So you could repurpose the wood part for another craft, but I bought these to get the lights. So if you're looking for little lights for crafting, they have these now at the Dollar Tree, so you can take that and get these for the lights. Another thing I found were string lights, but these are actually red lights. The reason I bought them is because they're on like pink wire, which I thought would be really cute for crafting something, maybe for like a young girl's room or a teen's room that I had an idea of. The only thing is I didn't stop and read that they're actually red LEDs, not clear. I thought they were clear lights on the pretty pink wire. So I'll find a project for those, but I was hoping that they were clear. But for the project I have in mind, the red might still work pretty well too. So I picked up two of those. I just picked up some yarn. They have these in all different, like they have a bunch of yarn in all different colors. I figured I could use this for crafting. They have different like thicknesses as well. And I picked up some of these little DIY stickers. They're like wood. So I thought you could use those for anything. They can be repurposed, stain them, paint them, you know, use them for any other kind of craft project. Another thing I found that I already used for a project is these rub-on transfer words. They have words like family, love, happiness. So I actually use these in a craft that I'll be showing, but these are a great little find for $1. I found these wood hearts. They come in a set of 4. I already started experimenting with this for a craft that I'm doing. You could take these apart. They're not meant to stay together like this, so you can take these apart. These, again, I'm not going to be using. These will just be for like a regular craft project that I'm making. So finding hearts and words that they're putting out now for this like holiday season of Valentine's Day are great, because you can use them for any kind of crafting. So they can really be repurposed. I also just grabbed 2 of these. Again, they'll be repurposed because I liked the frames. I thought they were a pretty decent frame. I liked the way the frame looked for this price. So I just grabbed 2 of those for future crafting projects. Same with this heart that I found. It's just a basic wood heart, but it could be used for any crafting project in the future. So I got one of those. And I think, I grabbed this. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with this, and it came in like plastic wrap, so I didn't realize it had glue all over it. So when you're picking things up from the Dollar Tree, make sure you're actually looking and checking the quality of them, because sometimes some things are damaged and you don't realize it. I'll repurpose this, so like that shouldn't be an issue, because I'll figure out something to do with this. Okay, so that was mostly it for like the Valentine's inspired craft stuff. Then some of the other things that I found that were new to me that I hadn't seen were these cute little vases. They came in some different colors. And this, I believe, is like a little jewelry tray, and I have a craft idea for this. I grabbed these little, they have a bunch of these little succulents, all different succulents in different little containers. Some are round, some are black, different colors. But I'm gonna be repurposing these for real succulents and doing some kind of fun design. So I figured a set of 3 would be a cute little set to make. Another thing I found in the crafting section were these glass mosaic tiles. My store only had some green and orange ones. I don't know if other stores have more colors or if mine were just out of colors, or if those are the only 2 colors that came in. But I picked up the green ones because I thought I could definitely make a craft with the green ones. Another thing I found were little fairy figurine things they have out with like the potting section. I grabbed a set of little gnomes. I love gnomes. I have like some larger garden gnomes. I figured I could do a fun little craft with these. And I found these little figurines. There's a turtle, a bird, and a frog. I have a plan for the frog and the bird already, so I picked these up. Another thing I grabbed is a little countdown I'm going to be making, repurposing this into a completely different countdown. They had a bunch of different ones of these, different shapes, if you're interested in those. And another thing I found in the crafting section, which I grabbed, was a tiny little cutting mat. This was great for $1. It's perfect for when you just want to cut something small and you don't want to bring out your big cutting mat. So I grabbed one of these because I thought that was a great find. So this is just some of the stuff that I grabbed that I'm going to be crafting with. Again, if you see anything that you do want or anything you think you might want to use, you know, you should grab it now probably, because I don't know how long they'll be keeping this stuff out since it's already January. And Valentine's Day is in February. So if there's any of the stuff you see that you might like, you should grab it now. And if you've enjoyed today's video, I hope you'll leave a comment letting me know what you think, as well as subscribing to the channel. I hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching.